Good morning, students. We have completed first part of this chapter, that is transition and inner transition elements. Now we are going to learn second part of this chapter, that is inner transition elements. We know periodic table very well, that there are 4 blocks in periodic table: S block, P block, D block and F block. There are 18 groups and 7 period in periodic table. So first two group contain S block, then elements from 13 to 18 contain P block, then D block from 3 to 12, and there are two series of 14 elements which are located at the bottom of periodic table. They are known as F block element. They are also called as inner transition elements because they are located below the transition elements. The elements where the last or differentiating electron enters in the F subset of the third to the outermost shell are called F block element. Elements whose F orbitals are filled by electron are called F block elements. There are two series of 14 elements. First series is lanthanide series and second is actinide series. The elements from atomic number 58 to 71 of 14 elements placed in this series, they are also called as 4F block element, and second actinide series. The elements from atomic number 90 to 103 are placed in this series. They are called 5F block elements. First series, lanthanide series, elements from 58, atomic number having 58, cerium to lutetium having atomic number 71. Their subshell is 4F and position is third group and sixth period. Like this, third group and sixth period. Then second series, that is actinide series, position is third group and seventh period. These series are specially placed at the bottom of 14 elements. First series is lanthanide series and second series is actinide series. So position of actinide, third group and seventh period. Subshell of lanthanide is 4F and subshell of actinide is 5F. Position, lanthanide series is located in third group and sixth period, and actinide is placed in third group and seventh period. They are also called as rare earth element. Now we are going to study the electronic configuration of first series, that is lanthanide series. Why this series is called lanthanide series? Because they are followed by lanthanum. Lanthanum is not a member of this series. After lanthanum, from cerium to lutetium, these 14 elements are the members of lanthanide series. Now diagram, we can derive the expected electronic configuration of these elements. First, lanthanum having atomic number 57. So we know xenon, which is inert gas, having atomic number 54. So consider here 54. Then fill 3 electrons. So first electron will fill in d orbital and 2 electron will in s orbital. So follow 54. Now count in first example like this. Here 1s2, 2s2, 2p6, 3s2, then 3p6, 4s2, then 3d10, 4p6, 5s2, then 4d10, then 5p6. Now here 6s2, 6s2, then 4f0, 4f0, and this is 5d1. So 54 plus 2 56 and 5d1 57. So like this. Electronic configuration of lanthanum is xenon having atomic number 54, then 4f0, here no electron in f orbital, 5d1 and 6s2. So 54 plus 1 55, 56 57. Then fill 1 electron to f orbital. Here first member serial having atomic number 58. So 1 electron will enter in f orbital. So here 4f2, 5d0, 6s2. Expected electronic configuration of cerium is xenon 4f2, 5d0 and 6s2. Then presodium xenon 4f3, 5d0, 6s2. Like this, we can fill one electron to f orbital. Xenon 4f3, 5d0, 6s2. Then fill or add one electron to f orbital. Here neodymium Nd having atomic number 60, xenon 54, then 4f4, here 5d0, 6s2. 54 plus 4, 58 plus 2, 60. Then like this. Promethium, symbol Pm, atomic number 61, xenon 4f5, here 5d0, 6s2. Then samarium having atomic number 62, symbol Sm. So electronic configuration in expected or ground state, xenon 4, then 4f6, 5d0, 6s2. Then like this. Europium atomic number 63, xenon 54, then 4f7, 5d0, 6s2. Then gadolinium having atomic number 64, xenon here 4f8, 5d0, 6s2. Then terbium having atomic number 65, xenon here 4f9, 5d0, 6s2. Only we can take here d orbital for our convenient, because 4f then 5d 6s like this. In book there is 5d orbital is not mentioned, but we are here mentioning for our convenient. Then dysprosium, atomic number 66, xenon here 54, then 4f 10, 54 plus 10 64, 5d 0 and 6s2, 54 plus 2 66. Then holmium, atomic number 67, so here xenon 4f11, 5d 0, 6s2. Then erbium, atomic number 68, so xenon 54, here 4f12, 66, then 5d0 plus here 2 electron from s orbital, so 66 plus 2 68. Here xenon, then 4f, here 13, IUD0, 6s2. Then yttrium, atomic number 70, so xenon here 4f14, IUD0, 6s2. Now last element is lutetium, having atomic number 71. So here 14 electrons are here f orbital. So new electron will come in IUD orbital. So we can write like this: 4f14, IUD1, 6s2, because s orbital have capacity of 2 electron. So new electron will enter into IUD orbital. These are expected or electronic configuration in ground state. It is not true or real. Only we can reach by this step up to observed or experimental electronic configuration. So see again here, first member of inner transition series is lanthanide series, having atomic number 58 to 71. They are followed by lanthanum, so they are known as lanthanide series. Lanthanum is not true member of this series. First member is cerium. From cerium to lutetium, having atomic number 58 to 71. So the series of these 14 elements is called lanthanide series. They are also known as Horeb block element, because electron enters into f orbital. So consider like this: here for s orbital take n, for d orbital n-1, and here n-2. So their general electronic configuration will be xenon, then core f from 1 to 14. Then after f orbital there will be d orbital, IUD1 and 6s2. Now we are going to learn experimental or true electronic configuration. So electronic configuration of lanthanum is xenon 4f0, IUD1, 6s2. Observed out, because lanthanum is not member of this lanthanide series. So here f orbital have 0 electrons. So no electron will enter into f orbital. So here observed electronic configuration of lanthanum is xenon 5d1 6s2 means 54 plus 5d1 55, then 6s2 56 and 57. Then cerium, which is first member having electronic configuration xenon. Here now electron will enter into F orbital. Here 4f0. Now one electron will add in 4f orbital. So its electronic configuration will be 4f1 5d1 6s2. Now like this we can fill electron in F orbital. Then praseodymium, symbol Pr, atomic number 59. So here one electron will enter into F orbital, but here IOD orbital is absent. So here automatic here 4f2 and one electron from p orbital, so it will become 4f3. So count total electron are 59 or not. Xenon 54, then 4f3 57 and 58 59. Understand? Then neodymium, atomic number 60. So electronic configuration will be, now add one electron to F orbital. So its electronic configuration will be xenon 4f4, here IUD0 and 6s2. Count are there total 60 electrons or not? Here 54 plus 4 58 59 60. Then continue like this. Now promethium having atomic number 61, xenon, then 4f5, here IUD0 6s2. Then samarium 62, so xenon, here 4f6, here IUD0 6s2. Then europium 63, so xenon, here 4f7 IUD0, here 6s2. Now gadolinium, this is important element having electronic configuration is like this: xenon 4f7 IUD1 6s2. Here F orbital is half filled because there are 14 electrons in F orbital, so it will, for extra stability, in F orbital there are 7 electrons, so no electron will enter into 5d orbital. So its electronic configuration will like this: xenon 4f7 IUD1 6s2. So according to extra stability, the elements in which orbitals are completely filled or half filled, they are more filled, more strong, or like this. Then xenon, now 4f7, it will automatically here 4f8, but here in gadolinium there was 4f7, So it will automatically becomes 4F9 because here 4F7, then 4F8, but in place of 8 there is 4F7. That electron enters into d orbital. So after 8 here 9. So xenon 4F9, 5D and 6s. So count total number of electron. Are there 65 or not? So xenon 54, 54 plus 9 63. And then here 6s2. So in d orbital there will be 0 electron. Then dysprosium, atomic number 66. Here xenon 4F10, 5D0, 6s2. And then fermium, atomic number 67. So here xenon 4F11, 5D0, 6s2. Then erbium having atomic number 68. So xenon here 4F12, 5D0, 6s2. Then thulium atomic number 69. So xenon 4F13, 5D0, 6s2. Now yttrium atomic number 70. So xenon 4F14, 5D0, 6s2. Then last element lutetium, xenon. Here 4f orbital is completed. So having electrons 14. So electron will enter into 5d orbital, and here 6s2. Here also we have discussed that extra stability. Here in lutetium also, according to extra stability rule, the elements having orbitals completely filled or half filled, they are more stable than other elements. So to acquire extra stability, here one electron enters into d orbital. Understand? And here also one electron enters into d orbital to attain half filled, and in lutetium to attain completely filled. So these elements are more stable. The elements having electrons completely filled or half filled, they are more stable. So here gadolinium, then lutetium, they have half filled or completely filled 4f orbital. So they are more stable. So in this way, the electronic configuration of lanthanide series is given. So to understand this lanthanide series, there is one trick which is not given in syllabus. Only for our convenience, I am writing this. That is not a part of our syllabus. Only to remember, there is some trick like this. This line सूर्याचा प्रसार नंदू ने प्राइम मिनिस्टर Prime Minister Srimati Indira गांधींना प्रख्यात दिला होता. इराणचा तंबाखू याकूबने लुटला. So only this is trick for understand or remember this element, that is not regarding to any person or to point anyone. So take it lightly. If you understand, then I can erase. So these are the elements of 4f block elements. 4f block. So there are some properties of these lanthanides. They are soft silvery metals having white color and moderate densities. They are good conductor of heat and electricity. Except promethium, all elements are non-radioactive. This is this promethium, where it is 61, it is radioactive. Then atomic and ionic radius, radii, decreases from lanthanum to lutetium. Then binding to water is common such that H2O is often found in products when isolated from aqueous solution. Then coordination number are greater than 6, like 8, 9 up to 12. Most of the elements are found in coordination compound. The lanthanides are strongly paramagnetic. Gadolinium is ferromagnetic. Then magnetic and optical properties are largely independent of environment. In this way, some properties of this lanthanide series. Understand? General electronic configuration is xenon 4f1 to 14 5d16s2. There are only 3 elements in which 1 electrons are present in 5d orbital. So first element is cerium having 1 electron in d orbital. Then gadolinium having 1 electron in d orbital, and then in last lutetium having 1 electron in d orbital. So in this way we can remember the electronic configuration of this lanthanide series. Thank you.